Here's how to know if you have cancer. Let's talk about some of the most common symptoms you'll feel. At the very top, almost everyone who has cancer will end up feeling some sort of fatigue. It makes sense. Your body's trying to fight off this cancer by mounting an immune system response. So again, over time, the energy is just taken up in your body and you feel very, very tired. The next most common symptom will usually be weight loss. And it's not like 5 or 10 pounds. It's usually more dramatic, maybe 30 or 40 pounds over a few weeks to a few months. And if you think about it, the cancer itself is a very high metabolic activity. So it's just using a lot of calories that you're consuming to grow. And on top of that, some cancers affect the way that you can actually absorb nutrients. The next most frequent symptom for people is usually pain. So if you have lung cancer, you might feel a pain in your chest with a cough or maybe even a bloody cough. If you have stomach cancer, you'll feel stomach cancer. If you have brain cancer, you might feel a bad headache, and so on. You may feel a weird change in your bowel habits. If you have some sort of colon cancer, you're having a lot more diarrhea than usual. Again, you might have blood in your stool. If it's bladder cancer, you likely have blood in your urine. And a lot of these symptoms are non-specific, and 9 times out of 10, if you have one of these symptoms, it's usually not cancer. But your intuition is best, and if you feel that something's off, talk to your doctor.